If you're over 60 and cleaning feels harder than it used to, you're not alone. But here's something most people won't tell you. It doesn't have to be that way. There are simple tricks, smart tools, and time-saving habits that make cleaning not just easier, but actually enjoyable. And once you learn them, you'll wonder how you ever managed without them. Today, on Reset for Seniors, we're revealing 10 cleaning hacks seniors wish they knew in their 50s. Practical, easy, and designed to protect your back, your time, and your peace of mind. Let's start with something that surprises most people. Hack number 1. Let gravity do the work for you. Instead of scrubbing from the bottom up, start from the top down. Spray your cleaner high, cabinets, mirrors, or shower walls, and give it a few minutes. The solution breaks down grime as it drips, saving you from endless scrubbing. One viewer, Helen, 67, told us this changed her life. I stopped fighting soap scum and started letting the cleaner fight for me. It's not about working harder, it's about working smarter. Hack number 2. The magic of microfiber. Forget paper towels that tear or old rags that smear. Microfiber cloths trap dust and bacteria instead of spreading them around. Just dampen one slightly, and you'll see how it grabs dirt like a magnet. The best part? They're washable, reusable, and gentle on arthritic hands. A small stack can replace dozens of cleaning supplies, and that's money saved every month. Hack number 3. Baking soda isn't old-fashioned, it's a miracle. A sprinkle on the sink or stovetop followed by a dash of vinegar can cut through years of buildup. It's safe, natural, and won't trigger sensitive skin or breathing. Seniors often tell us they wish they'd known this earlier, before wasting hundreds on harsh cleaners that made them cough. Sometimes, the best solutions have been sitting in our pantry all along. Hack number 4. The reach trick. Many seniors stop deep cleaning simply because reaching hurts. But did you know there are extendable dusters, lightweight mops, and flexible vacuum attachments made exactly for this reason? These aren't gadgets, they're game changers. When you can clean the top shelf without climbing or stretch under furniture without bending, suddenly cleaning becomes doable again. Don't risk a fall just to wipe a corner. You deserve comfort and safety in every task. Hack number 5. Declutter before you dust. It sounds obvious, but so many people waste time cleaning around clutter. The truth is, clutter attracts dust and stress. Start small, one counter, one drawer, one side table. Toss or donate what you don't use. Seniors who make decluttering a habit report feeling lighter, calmer, and more in control. A clean home is a peaceful mind. Hack number 6. Lemons, your natural polish. Cut a lemon in half, sprinkle baking soda on it, and scrub your faucets or sinks. The result? Sparkling metal and a kitchen that smells like sunshine. Lemons break down mineral stains and grease without chemicals. Plus, there's something satisfying about cleaning with something you could also put in your tea. Hack number 7. Create a 5-minute nightly reset. Most people think cleaning has to be a marathon. It doesn't. 5 minutes before bed, wipe counters, straighten cushions, or load the dishwasher. It prevents mess from piling up. Seniors who follow this micro-cleaning habit say their homes stay cleaner with less effort. Imagine waking up to order instead of chaos. That peace is priceless. Hack number 8. Use music or a podcast to stay energized. Cleaning can be lonely, but it doesn't have to be. Turn on your favorite gospel song, oldies playlist, or even a Reset for Seniors video. Movement with rhythm keeps you active, and time flies. Cleaning then feels more like therapy than a chore. Hack number 9. Protect your air. Did you know many commercial sprays release chemicals that linger in the air for hours? Seniors often breathe those fumes in enclosed spaces. Switch to natural cleaners, vinegar, lemon, mild soap, and open your windows often. Cleaner air means clearer lungs, better rest, and less sneezing. Your home should heal you, not harm you. And finally, hack number 10. Reward yourself for small wins. Yes, seriously, you deserve it. Light a candle, brew tea, sit on the sofa, and admire your work. A clean home isn't about perfection, it's about pride. Every little effort is a step toward dignity and self-care. Now, Let's be honest, we all wish we'd learned some of these sooner. Many of these tricks were passed quietly from one generation to another, but today, they're your invitation to make cleaning joyful again. Because every senior deserves a home that feels light, fresh, and full of life. If this video is helpful, don't scroll away just yet. Before you forget, hit subscribe to Reset for Seniors, and tap the bell so you don't miss our next episode. One that could save you hours of frustration or even prevent an accident in your home. We're building a warm community here. Real people, real stories, real hope. When you subscribe, you're joining thousands of others who've chosen to make life simpler, safer, and happier after 60. Here's a secret most people don't know. When you keep learning new ways to care for your home, you're actually caring for your heart and mind too. Cleaning isn't just about removing dirt, it's about reclaiming control. So start today. Pick one hack from this video and try it tonight. Whether it's the lemon trick, the gravity hack, or the 5-minute reset, just one step can make your space feel brand new. And if you found a trick that truly surprised you, share it in the comments. Your idea might help someone else who's struggling right now. Before we close, here's a final reminder. Don't wait until cleaning becomes overwhelming. The best time to make life easier is today, not someday. Because someday never comes. At Reset for Seniors, we believe in small victories that change lives. So, subscribe, share this video with someone you love, and remember, your home deserves care, and so do you. Until next time, keep resetting your space, your mind, and your joy. If you're over 60 and cleaning feels like climbing a mountain, you're not alone. But here's a secret. You might just be doing it the hard way. Evelyn looked around her cozy city apartment, sunlight streaming through the window, and smiled at how fresh everything felt. It wasn't just about cleaning anymore. It was about peace. About taking back control of her space, and in a way, her life. You see, what most people don't realize is that cleaning in your 60s and 70s isn't just about dusting surfaces. It's about lightening your mind. And Evelyn was proof. She leaned on her mop, pausing to look at a photo of her and her late husband on the shelf. The memories were warm, but so was the realization that keeping her space clean helped her breathe easier, emotionally and physically. And she wasn't alone. Across the country, thousands of seniors like Evelyn are finding out that cleaning doesn't have to be exhausting, if you know the right tricks. So here's where we continue. Hack number 6, the power of lemon and baking soda. This one's almost magical. Mix baking soda with a little lemon juice, and you'll have a natural paste that tackles grime on sinks, countertops, and even that old oven door you've been ignoring. It cuts through grease, deodorizes, and makes your kitchen smell like a summer morning. And the best part? No harsh chemicals, which means no irritation for aging lungs or sensitive skin. Evelyn used it for the first time last week, and the results amazed her. She whispered to herself, "Why didn't I learn this 20 years ago?" Hack number 7, the lazy person's floor hack. If bending is a struggle, this one's for you. Instead of using a heavy mop bucket, use a spray bottle filled with a 50/50ths mix of water and vinegar. Spray directly on the floor and use a microfiber flat mop. It's lightweight, fast, and no rinsing needed. Evelyn tried it once and said it felt like she was dancing with her floor. Hack number 8. Declutter while you clean. Here's a secret most people miss. Don't wait for a decluttering day. As you dust, ask yourself, do I still need this? If not, toss or donate it right away. One drawer a day keeps clutter away. Evelyn made it her morning routine. One drawer with coffee. In 2 weeks, her entire apartment looked lighter. And that's the truth. Cleaning and decluttering work together. When you remove what no longer serves you, your space starts serving you again. Hack number 9, the 10-minute rule. We all have days when motivation is low. That's normal. The 10-minute rule says, just clean for 10 minutes. Once you start, momentum takes over. You may end up cleaning for 30, or not. Either way, you win. Evelyn began setting a timer every evening. 10 minutes before her favorite TV show, she'd tidy up. And surprisingly, her home stayed spotless all week. Because let's face it, Consistency beats deep cleaning marathons every time. Hack number 10. The ultimate fresh air trick. Open your windows, even for just 5 minutes a day. It resets your air, your mood, and your energy. Studies show that seniors who let in fresh air daily report feeling less fatigued and more alert. Evelyn made it part of her routine. She'd open the window, breathe deep, and feel thankful for another day of peace. But here's where things get real. Many seniors put off cleaning because they think it's too much work. But the truth? You don't need perfection. You just need momentum. A few simple habits, done consistently, can change your entire living experience. And if you're thinking, I'll start next week, don't wait. Start today. Because every day you wait, clutter quietly takes more space, not just in your home, but in your mind. You deserve a space that energizes you, a home that gives back peace, not pressure. Evelyn didn't wait. And now, every time she sits in her favorite chair, with the afternoon light hitting the clean, calm walls, she smiles. Not because her apartment is perfect, but because it finally feels hers again. If you're ready to reclaim your space and your calm, start today. Even one drawer, even one shelf. And don't forget, there are more simple, life-changing tips waiting for you here on Reset for Seniors. White right pointing backhand index, subscribe today, and turn your daily routines into something peaceful, easy, and empowering. Because the next video might just be the one that transforms your home and your life. Remember, your peace starts with your space. So, what's the first thing you'll clean today?